As you know, I was in 5th grade and was nervous about going to 6th grade. Even if you're not nervous, I bet you have questions. So I'll be telling you about 3 things in 6th grade you'll want to know. There are the whiteboards outside the teacher's doors, and then practicing your combination locks over summer. Last, there are web leaders. The first thing you should pay attention to is the whiteboards. They will tell you what the date is and if it's an A day or a B day. If you're scared about A days and B days and what they are, don't be afraid, because once you get your schedule, you'll understand better. You'll also have to look on the whiteboards and see what you'll need for class each day. I would check the whiteboards before school starts, so you know what you need for class. Teachers will also tell you sometimes what to bring for class the next day. So, here, it's Thursday, May 14th. It's an A day, and they'll want to bring a novel, composition notebook, and math book. Next, there are combination locks. You want to practice these over the summer, and then you'll get more comfortable. That means that you can unlock it quickly and remember the combination. Then you will be more prepared for middle school and when you need to get into your locker fast. Lastly, there are 8th graders called web leaders. These people help you around the school on our first few days. You get to meet new people and learn things about the school. You play games and have fun with new students. If you have questions, you can ask them. There are red tie-dye shirts that say web leader on them. Though they do not wear these shirts every day, so you'll want to be able to recognize them. One thing I remember is I was worried about having only 4 minutes to get between classes. But now I'm not so worried. I hope you find all this helpful, and remember, it's okay to be scared. There are people you can ask if you have questions about navigating around the school, or even just a math problem. All you need to do is try your best and keep on learning.